was a time when you couldn't change the channel without catching a glimpse of the man with the hat and the infamous nasal voice. So when Himesh Reshammiya claims that he has a record of 36 hit songs in a year, I really don't think he's exaggerating. But on the other hand, when he claims that he's just a simple Gujarati dhokla boy, I think he's telling big fat porkies. Monty is back and he's on my couch. I'm really very pleased to have you, Himesh Reshammiya, on my couch.
Thank you, my pleasure.
So why is it that whenever you have something big coming out, you maintain a sort of low profile and you become very sober, when actually that's the complete opposite of what you are?
Do you think so?
I think so.
You're wrong. Why? Because I think I've maintained a low profile exactly after the Asha Bhosle incident which happened. When she said that she wanted to slap me, everyone wanted to say that, no, you're nasal, aap naak se gaate hain. That made me defensive, and I did say that, okay, R.D. Burman ji bhi naak se gaate hain, जो मेरी गलती थी. और उसके बाद मैंने नाक से गाने वाली बात एक्सेप्ट कर ली, या ढोकला बॉय वाली बात एक्सेप्ट कर ली, या सारी चीजें एक्सेप्ट कर ली, तो उसमें मैं ऑपोजिट कहाँ हूँ? जो मैं था मैंने एक्सेप्ट करना सीख लिया.
But you're also a rock star.
How do you call me a rock star? I never said that I am a rock star. I always said that I want to be like Bryan Adams, and the media said that I'm the rock star. I'm Bryan Adams.
But you are the rock star. You're the only person, or not the only person, you're the first person to have a concert in Wembley Stadium in London.
With a packed audience. There are a lot of people who start claiming it कि नहीं मैंने भी लंदन वेम्बली में कॉन्सर्ट किया है. तो मैंने लंदन वेम्बली विद अ पैक्ड ऑडियंस लेने वाला मैं था. बट रॉक स्टार कह लो या सेल्फ प्रोक्लेम्ड रॉक स्टार कह लो, वो सारी चीजें मुझ पर कई बातों की लगी.
Himesh, there's a general perception that you became an overnight star, but of course with every overnight star there's years of struggle behind that.
I started off as a serial producer at the age of 16.
It's a very young age to
start because
working.
I lost my brother at the age of when I was 13 and he was 22. So, and my dad wanted to do, I had to be by my dad's side, and so I got busy with work.
And your dad was a music composer.
Music composer. If he wouldn't have sacrificed his career, then I wouldn't have been a music director. He just saw that spark in me, and so he just took a back seat, because you can't have two music directors struggling. And that time this father-son combination was a very odd combination. So you can't have two music directors struggling in the same house and then asking for work.
That's quite big of him to say, okay, I allow.
No, he never told me. He just said, नहीं, तू बहुत अच्छे गाने बनाता है, तो वो push करना, तो उस एज में तो मुझे समझ में भी नहीं आया कि उन्होंने किया. बाद में मुझे realize हुआ.
And you are not trained.
No, I just took training from my daddy in chords, but I don't play an instrument. I sing, and with the power of my voice, I always used to compose. And I had about 300 tunes in about a year's time, which were ready, but किसको जाके सुनाऊं? And I got my serial approved from Ahmedabad, my first Gujarati TV serial, and my friends, they were rich dudes of Pedder Road. And their fathers were managing directors of the company, and they just got me these small little हिंदुस्तान लीवर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स एंड जस्ट स्पॉन्सर्ड छोटी सी. और अहमदाबाद दूरदर्शन में स्पॉन्सर्स नहीं आते थे. ये बात किसी से मैंने शायद आज पहली बार ही बात कर रहा हूँ. एंड वो सीरियल डिड वेरी वेल, एंड आई गॉट 3-4 सीरियल्स लाइक दिस, अबाउट 13
एपिसोड्स. And you were only 16. Who was going to take you seriously?
No one will बोलता बच्चा है तू कहाँ से. बट वो अहमदाबाद दूरदर्शन में वैसे भी इतने बड़े स्पॉन्सर्स लेके आया है ये बच्चा, तो दे सेड ठीक है कर ले. They gave me a very bad, I shouldn't say shit slot, but they gave me a very bad slot, 7 o'clock.
And you didn't want to be in front of the camera at that point?
No, I never ever thought, because I was fat, and I used to eat